Hello there guys, you're welcome to the channel. So today we're learning how to use Island application on your Android device. So let's learn how to use Island application on your Android device. So this is my newly installed Island application here on my Android device, and I'll be taking us to tutorial on each step on how to use Island application. So first of all, it's going to give you this welcome screen here on your Android device. So the next thing to do is to click on accept. Then it's going to set up your work profile. So the next thing to do is to click on accept and continue. So setting up your work profile, so you're going to give this time for Island application to set up your work profile for you. So it's actually creating a new environment in your Android device. So if you're new here, just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's keep on moving. So once it's done setting up your work profile, the next thing to do is to click on next. So we're going to get provisionally Island right next. I'm going to press provisioning Island next and wait for this to load too. And accept and continue. So you're using this app outside your work profile. So first off, you've gotten everything done. So this is your normal island, this is your, then you have your mainland, and you have also your discovery. So I'll give it some time. So this is your normal island. So say okay, so this work setup keeps stopping, you have to keep on cancel. Then this is your normal island. It's going to give you a separate Google app on its own. So you have a Google Play Store on its own. You have Gboard, you have files, you have download, you have security and contacts that is pre-installed with the Island application. The next thing to do is to go to your mainland. So mainland is where you're going to find your own applications. So once I tap on mainland, I can find my own applications, and whatever application that I want to clone from my own installed device, I just go ahead to like tap on this. So let me be taking ChatGPT for example. I want to clone my ChatGPT. I will tap on this and it's going to tell me ChatGPT is alive. Do you want to clone? So you can see this plus sign here. It's what means clone here on Island application. So click on the plus sign. Then you're going to actually clone via. So you are cloning this app to Island. So I'm going to click on Island here. So you say Island is not ready. So refresh setting. Thing for you to do, you should go ahead to your Google Play Store. So you have to open your Google Play Store. Then what you have to do is to sign in into your Google Play Store. Then from there you can start create cloning apps. So once I'm done signing here with another account, not the normal account on your other device, close down the Play Store, return back to your Island application and try cloning everything. If not, you're going to get an error code. So once I'm done signing in on this Play Store, I return back to my Island application, and once I get back to my Island application, I go ahead to the mainland section and tap up the app I want to clone and click on this plus sign here and clone the application. So that is how to use your Island application. I hope I've answered your question. Bye.